up guys, welcome back to another vlog, and this one is going to be an epic one because I'm going to Raipur right now. I'm going to be heading to the airport in a few minutes. I have packed my bag, it's right over there. This is my bag, इसमें I have packed everything, cubes नीचे and boarding pass, tickets, charger वगैरह सब इसमें. So all good to go. भगवान का आशीर्वाद भी ले लेते हैं. So मैं निकल गया हूँ एयरपोर्ट के लिए मम्मी और भाई के साथ. क्या हो गया? No one mind bro, सबको मज़ा आता है व्लॉग्स देखने में. कुछ भी बोल दो है ना भाई, बताना मेरे को कमेंट्स में. कुछ भी बोल देंगे तब भी चलेंगे ना व्लॉग्स. I am inside the airport, security check वगैरह सब डन कर लिया, and now I am going to my gate number. बहुत टाइम बाद I am traveling, so I had no idea कि exact procedure क्या है. So I was kind of confused, but I made it. Yes. Successfully boarded the flight. I am very sleepy right now because the flight is at a very weird time. So I'll be landing at 7 AM and I have to reach the venue at 9, before 9 actually. So it's gonna be a hell of a day, but I'm gonna sleep right now. So I am outside of the Raipur ka airport. This is Abhijit.
Hi, yo.
And this is Soumya, the delegate of the competition. We are going to the venue now after a very tiring flight. So I am with Bhargav right now. We are waiting for the events. So what's happening is we're gonna solve all the events, not all but most of the events simultaneously. Like first we'll do 3x3 and back to back we'll do 4x4 and OH. So that's how the schedule is for this competition. So good luck to Bhargav as well, and let's see what happens.
In processing this unprecedented time differently and trying to understand what is happening to us and to the world around us.
Okay, so we would appreciate all the parents and viewers around here.
So I'm still recording this video in Raipur just as a filler for day one because I did not end the vlog properly. So first of all, I'm going to tell you what PBs I got because I got a lot of them. I got 151 single for 6x6, 2 flat mean, 315 mean 7/7, 13.51 OH average, 30.8 4x4 average, and 3.92 Pyramid single, which I did not know how I got. But yeah, I got a lot of PVs on day 1, and after the competition we went out for dinner. It was very, very good. So that is what I did after the competition, which I did not record because I was very tired. I had a very early flight in the morning. So that was it, and there will be 2 more parts from this tour, basically like trip, coming soon. So stay tuned. Until next time, cheers.